tastes like pesticida, como si tuvieran como que muchas cosas, tú sabes, las cosas que le untan para que crezcan rápido.
Sí, para que crezcan rápido tiene siendo bueno.
Aunque tenga miedo a morir que no nazca. Hello guys, welcome back to another video with Nathalee Rod. For today's video, as you can see, we're gonna be doing a fruit mukbang. We're gonna be trying exotics fruits, and exotics, by exotics I mean the dragon fruit and the gold kiwi. Never had that one before, and this one, because I don't even know if I got the right one, and bear with me if I didn't. I don't even know if I have a freaking verdura instead of a fruit. I haven't tasted any of them just yet because I want to try them on camera with you guys. It's not that I haven't tried pineapple before, but I want to give you a genuine reaction. And yeah, without further ado, let's just get started. ¿Con cuál empiezo?
Con las más normales y después pasas a las exóticas.
An exotic, como yo. I wish you guys could see the setup I have everything on. I have two freaking water boxes underneath, and then I have my protein pancakes mix, and then like the cutting board with the fruits. So it's been a hassle to put everything together, but I put it up and I'm excited. Let's just start with the strawberries, I guess. Me siento estúpida. I don't know what to talk about. I've been getting a lot of questions on my Instagram, which if you don't follow me on my Instagram, I don't know what you're doing. You should go ahead and stop the video right now and go ahead and follow me. It's the same name I have here, the same name I have on TikTok, is the same name I have on every single social media, Nathalee Rod, so it's easier for you to find me everywhere. While you're still here, go ahead and follow me, like now. Oh wait. You did? Good. So I've been getting a lot of questions because I've been going to the gym like hard. 7 days a week. Today I didn't because I got my period and I don't feel good. That's why I'm treating myself with some fruits. And yeah, going back to the questions because I talk too much and then I lose the topic of what I started talking about, and you know. But I've been getting a lot of questions about how do I prep my meals, what do I do at the gym, what do I do to keep focused and like motivated and stuff like that. And I don't want to say it's just depression because I'm not in depression, but whenever your life it's not going the way you want, you have to either go with the flow, go against it, or make it work. And I am making it work. These ones are not so sweet. You want some? I have my cousin right here. Cousin slash friend. Because we're not blood related, but we grew up together in Puerto Rico with... If you grow up with your friends, you tend to call them cousins or stuff like that, so... Esto tiene un pajarito. ¡Ay! ¿Tú lo viste? You didn't tell me. Damn, you fake. Toma la strawberry. ¿Quieres esa o quieres la otra? ¿Segura? I'm gonna try this one. I'm gonna put a picture right either here or here of this, of how it should have looked like. Hopefully I got the right thing. You already tried it. She already tried it. You're a liar. No puedo tragar. No puedo tragar. Out of all the things I have, she gives me this. Ugh, you could see it. This is disgusting. Nope. It's disgusting. She's freaking laughing. You're an asshole. Let me just clean up my... Yo, this video is a whole mess. What the heck? Uvas. Grapes. Grapes are great. Like I was saying. Food. Tell me whether you want me to do a video of the things I do. Like meal preps, how do I do it, how long it takes me, how do I decide what to eat or what to prepare, how do I prepare in advance and stuff like that. Let me know down in the comments if you're interested in those kind of videos. If not, it's totally fine. It's whatever. Okay, blueberries. I usually eat them on my yogurts, not just by itself, so... Saben butte. Saben como ayonceta. Butte. They taste weird. Like, saben buena, pero... I don't know. Just one?
Yeah.
They're good. Están bien dulcecitas. ¿Es otra? Están buenas. Están buenas de verdad. 10 out of 10. This, negativo 1. Negative 1. This tastes disgusting. Stop laughing. It's not funny. Okay, another thing. You have to eat the kiwi on camera with me because you're gonna eat it with the hair. Te lo vas a comer en la cámara conmigo porque te lo vas a comer con los pelos. Ya. Ya no me lo puedo comer con los pelos. Así que... vamos con el kiwi. Vente a comer kiwi. Hey guys, for those that doesn't know, she's my cousin slash friend, Marileisa. Y por este segmento pues, voy a hablar español porque ella habla inglés, pero ella se cansa de hablar inglés. Y ella me dice, no, voy a hablar en español porque eso de hablar inglés pues la cansa, ¿verdad?
Yeah.
Sí, viste, ya. Entonces yo le voy a pasar su kiwi con pelo. Como pueden ver, esa es la otra mitad. El kiwi con pelo. Y así se lo va a comer. Yo me voy a comer el mío sin pelito. El mío es lampiñito. Así, miren. Qué rico, así bien lindo. Así que, cheers. Provecho. Está rico. Sin pelo.
No te veo.
Ya lo que rico está. Me voy a comer la otra mitad. Ay, caramba. Ya lo que rico. Sonido innecesario. ¿Ves? When you eat it without hair, lo comes más rápido.
Te lo puedes comer más rápido, pero me lo disfruto más.
¿A ti te gustan peludos?
No.
Few moments later.
Ok, TMI, mucha información.
Demasiado, ¿sabes, güey?
Ok, quiero probar los otros.
Okay.
Okay, those... Ay, me caigo. Ay, perdón. Those are the regular kiwis, the green ones. And I also got for me, they're exotics because I've never had these before. I think these ones are the gold ones. And so you can see the difference between the color. So, ese es el gold.
Con cáscara.
Con cáscara. Ese no tiene tanto pelito, ese es como que más... Ok, una.
Parece una papa.
Cheers. Una, dos, tres. Diablo, qué rico.
No sabe tan mal. Y la cáscara no es tan dura como la verde.
Oh my god, it's so sweet. Es bien dulce.
La cáscara viene siendo delgada, como si fuese la cáscara de...
Parece una papa, de verdad. Pero más suave.
Parece como la cáscara de la pera. No es tan...
Oh my god.
fuerte.
Diablo, qué fucking rico. It's so good. It's so good. Yo haciendo sonidos innecesarios. Miren. Ya che, no es por nada. Pero de todo lo que he probado hasta ahora, esto es lo mejor. Todavía te queda la mitad de otro kiwi. Y de ese. ¿Cuál quieres? Hoy sabe como a uva. No sé. Voy a probar la uva. No sabe a uva.
Es que es un sabor bien suavecito, no es
Like
tan ácido que tú digas como que...
no, it's like, está rico.
Ni tan dulce que tú digas como que qué palagoso.
Exacto, está en el punto. Oh, I can't wait to try this one. Okay, pero let me find a spoon or something to cut it in half so we can split it. And I'm back. Esta piña me está molestando aquí en el medio. This is, I don't want to say trash because a la comida no se le dice basura, pero no good. No. ¿Tratamos esto o tratamos la raspberry primero?
Vamos para la raspberry.
Ok. Una raspberry para ti, un raspberry for me, and cheers. Date, duro. Sabe mala. Maybe it was that one. Toma. A ver si una diferente. Sabe rara. I didn't show you guys. I mean, I think you guys know what is a raspberry. Let me show you a cute one because they're a little weird. This is a raspberry. So ¿sabe? For me, it tastes like pesticida, como si tuvieran como que muchas cosas, tú sabes, las cosas que le untan para que crezcan rápido. Para mí, eso. I don't know.
Si es para que crezca rápido, viene siendo uno.
You know what I meant. ¿Tú sabes lo que yo quise decir?
Okay.
¿Sabes? Tú me entendiste. Que es lo importante. Una piña. Una piña para la niña. How would you say that in English? A pineapple for the girl. That doesn't go. It's just in Spanish. Okay, cheers. Al alcohol. Está dulce. Está rico.
Está bueno.
¿Tú sabes lo que dicen? Que si los aunque tenga miedo a morir, que no nazca. Cuidado que no te me ahogues con la piña, ¿sabes? Yo no sé dar primero auxilio.
¿Cómo pronuncias el primer auxilio, güey?
Ya no sé, te estás muriendo, ¿qué hago? ¿Te meto un puño en la espalda? Ah, no.
Ay, mi madre. Pues si acaso, si van a una playa o algo con Nathalee, o para una piscina.
Si eres
Y se
lindo,
están ahogando, en verdad.
si eres lindo, te doy respiración boca a boca. Si no, pues, oro por ti.
En en verdad va a durar por ti todo el tiempo porque ella no sabe. No sabe dar primeros auxilios.
Tú me ves a mí dando primeros auxilios. ¿Y tú? Nena, así no sé.
Así no es, viene siendo. Ay, dos soplos. Largo.
Tú lo estás soplando, te lo estás comiendo. Anyways. Let's try the dragon fruit. Oh my goodness, look at this. Oh my god, it's so cute. So cute. I'm gonna try to cut it in half. Oh my god, he's juicy. Ay, diablo. I'm so excited. Yo nunca he probado esto. I never had these before. I never had this before. Okay, cheers. 1, 2, 3. Ugh. What the fuck is this? ¿Qué se supone que sepa esto? No quiere. I don't know what's the hype. No sé cuál es el hype de la fruta. Maybe la fruta no está fresca. Maybe it wasn't fresh. Because we went to 3 different places and this was the third place we went and we found it, ¿verdad? Fuimos a 3 diferentes lugares y este fue el lugar que le encontramos. And they pre-cut it and put it like in a freezer, like on top of ice to keep it fresh. And I guess it wasn't fresh. Maybe that's why it tastes a little funny. Ellos la tenían como que picada. Ellos la preparan ya, la cortan y la ponen como que en este plástico y la ponen encima de hielo para mantenerla fresca, pero al parecer no estaba tan fresca y el sabor sabe un poquito raro. Así que no sé, lo trataré nuevamente con una fresca si la encuentro, pero no me gustó para nada. Cheers. También buena la uva. De todo esto, lo más duro que está es el kiwi. Out of all the fruits we have here, the golden kiwi, chef's kiss. The blueberries are so good too, and the pineapple, it's so sweet. The rest, I mean, strawberries are okay. They're not so sweet. The raspberries are this and this, I don't know. I do want to give it another try. If you guys stick around and saw the other video that I posted before this one, which was a Shein haul, I had a pair of jeans that didn't fit me, so I was planning on returning them, but I'm not going to. Instead, I'm gonna give it away. I'm gonna leave a picture right here of how they look like, the size and everything. All you have to do is just make sure you like this video, you share it, you follow me on my Instagram, and you subscribe to the channel. That's pretty much it. Like the video, subscribe, and follow me on my Instagram. That's it. Leave a comment down below when you're done so I know that you're entering to the giveaway, and then I'll just choose somebody randomly and give it away. It doesn't matter if it's for you or for somebody else. Si se acuerdan del video que yo hice anteriormente de Shein haul, de que me traté la ropa de Shein, el pantalón que no me sirvió, pensaba devolverlo, pero no, lo voy a regalar, así que para poder participar y ganártelo, ya viene por ahí. Lo único que tienes que hacer es darle like a este video, suscribirte a mi canal, seguirme en Instagram y ponerme en comentarios cuánto te terminaste, lo que tú quieras, terminé o lo que me quieras poner, y automáticamente estoy deduciendo que estás participando. Like I said, if you have any ideas or things that you want me to do, I'm really open-minded. I'll try it for you guys so you don't have to go through it. With that being said, if you stayed until this part of the video, I want to say thank you so much. I really appreciate you for taking the time of watching me, watching us. If you're not part of this channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe. Like right now, it's free, right? And if you like this video, give it a like. And if you don't, give it a like because it's for free. If you don't like it, don't give it a dislike, yo. Why would you gotta do me dirty, you know? Don't do that. Just like it. Help your girl out.
So, ¿qué estás esperando? Si dale like.
Exactly. So yeah. I see you guys on the next one. Bye.
Bye.
Ya terminamos. Ya lo que malo sabe eso.